Welcome to our miter fold drawer box tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to install a miter fold drawer box for a frameless cabinet. First, let's start off with the drawer slides. Undermount drawer slides have a series of holes along the side of the slide. Use these to align the drawer slides so that the front of the slide is 1/16 of an inch set back from the front of the box. Be sure to use appropriately sized screws for the size of the machine holes in your frameless box. Then, repeat these steps for the other side of the cabinet. Now, let's move on to the drawer box. You will want to position the drawer box with the bottom facing you and the notches facing up. Then you will want to position the front facing clips as seen in the video. With a drill bit or a VIX bit, pre-drill for the attachment screws. Then install. Finally, we will connect the drawer box to the slides. You will hear and feel a click when it is finally connected to the drawer box clips. And there you have it, a completed and installed miter fold drawer box for a frameless cabinet.